Welcome back to Automotive Detailing. In this video, we are going to take a look at CarPro Reset. Let's do it. So if you guys like detailing videos, product review videos, full detailing videos, hit that subscribe button, join the Fab family, click that notification bell right next to it, so every time I upload a video, you get notified. So in this video today, CarPro Reset, it says it's an intensive car shampoo, natural active ingredients. This product has no waxes, no gloss enhancers, nothing. It says it's highly concentrated shampoo, high density foam, great cleaning power without gloss enhancers, perfect to maintain ceramic quartz base coatings. I do have a ceramic quartz base coating on the car we're gonna be doing today, the 2017 Dodge Journey. You guys have been asking me for a while to give you an update on the coating because I put it on in December 2018. This product right here, it is dilute 1 to 500, 1.35 ounces per 5 gallons. That's crazy. So I'm not gonna be able to measure 1.35. So I'm gonna measure out 1.5 ounces, and then I'm gonna put 2 ounces in my foam cannon. I'm hoping my foam is really good here. I have used it one time since I moved here at the new house. We do have a water softener, actually two. We have a salt water softener, and then I installed a saltless water softener, electronic water softener as well that I already had. So I think 2 is better than 1, right? So let's find out how well this stuff foams. Let's see how slick it is. And we're also gonna kind of do a little bit of an update on the ceramic coating on the Dodge Journey. And I did purchase this from Detailed Image. I did pay for this. It's not a sponsored video. If you guys would like to purchase this, once the video's over, I'll put a link down in the description of the video, and you guys can purchase it from Detailed Image if you want, and you can use my coupon code, which I'll put right down here somewhere, and you can get 10% off your entire order from Detailed Image. All right, you guys, let me show you guys what it looks like. I already cleaned the wheels and tires. Lower rocker panels just have a lot of salt buildup on them. I have taken it through a touchless car wash. I know I shouldn't do that, but I just don't have anywhere. I haven't had anywhere to do it till now, so. It just needs a really good bath. And I'll be honest with you, I don't know if the ceramic coating's even still there, because last few times I've seen it rain on it, it hasn't looked too good. But also it's very dirty. That could also be the issue there. The lower rockers, and this is the great part about ceramic coating, so I kind of think it is still there. You see how dirty the lower rockers are, but how clean, for the most part, it is up here. So it's the self-cleaning capabilities where it's washing all the dirt down to the bottom of the panels. There's some bird bomb right there in my window. Looks like a little speck of bird poop there, there. A couple of them, not bad, but. All right, you guys, so I have 2 ounces with 800 milliliters water in my Fab foam cannon. It is warm water. Brian from Apex said that if you use 1 ounce, you get good foam, but if you use 2 ounce, you'll get like shaving cream foam. I've never had foam like that, at least at my old house, so I'm really hoping I get that today. So let's find out what it does. That is some foam. Look at how thick that is. Look at that. That is shaving cream type foam. Slowly coming down the panels. Just watch the bubbles. Slowly working its way down, which is exactly what we want. It's on the glass. So that foams really, really well. I'm gonna go ahead and foam the whole vehicle. Probably put you in a time lapse or just cut to the next scene. All right, so let's go ahead and rinse it off, and then we'll go contact. All right, you guys, so now it's completely rinsed off. Now we're gonna actually go contact. I'm not gonna show you the whole wash, but I am gonna give you my thoughts on it as I use it on this side over here, and we'll wrap this up. Very slick. It's amazing, it's only 1.5 ounces from 5 gallons of water. All right, now we're gonna go by hand. Man, it smells really good. It smells like what you'd use like on your body. Oh, that's slick. That's very good. Yeah, I mean, it just smells really nice. It just smells like a really nice soap. Doesn't have a fruity scent or anything like that. Man, listen to those birds. They're going crazy. Perfect day to be washing. This is fantastic. Now I see why everybody loves it. I mean, it's just so slick. Feels great. I mean, it's just crazy slick under the glove. Even though I don't have the glove on, because I don't ever put my hand in it. Really slick. Here, let's rinse off what we've already done. And that just feels really good. The coating doesn't look the greatest, but soap can hide it. I don't know if this stuff will or not, but what we'll do, when I go to dry it, I'll turn the camera back on. We'll dry like the hood, maybe a fender. We'll soak it and we'll see if the coating's still there. All right, so as you guys can see, this water is laying flat. Let's dry it, let's just see. I don't think the CarPro Reset would hide anything. So I think the coating's probably gone. Which wouldn't surprise me, because I'm telling you, it got neglected. It sat out in some nasty weather over the winter. This is its first real bath since before I moved. Believe it or not. It's embarrassing to say that, but it's true. So make sure we're totally dry here. Okay, that's good enough. And let me go ahead and dry this fender. Okay. So let's see what it does. Still got great gloss, I'll tell you that much. I would have to say the ceramic coating is gone. I'm gonna try to hold you where I can see you guys here. Not on that fender either. Look at the door though. Oops, I'm holding you guys really sideways. There's a little bit left on the top of the panels, but other than that, ceramic coating is gone. All right, let me dry the car and I'll show you guys what the results are of the CarPro Reset. All right, you guys see it's dried off. Let's go ahead and look at the final results. I'm very happy with this, but let me show you what it looks like. The metallic looks amazing. Cleaned up extremely well. Little to no effort, because I don't put a lot of pressure down when washing, because you shouldn't. I am extremely happy with this. Well, as you guys can see behind me, I am absolutely stoked at how well the CarPro Reset works. This stuff is absolutely amazing. I only used 3.5 ounces total because I used my foam can. I probably could have used 1 ounce in the foam can and only used 2.5 ounces for that entire wash. And this bottle is the 1 liter, 33 fluid ounce bottle. It smells amazing. It doesn't smell fruity. I can't describe what the smell is, but it just smells like a shampoo, like I said earlier, like you'd use on your body when you're in the shower. It smells extremely good. Very, very high in lubricity. Fantastic as far as lubricity. It cleans really well. I mean, just look at the results behind me. I showed you just a minute ago. It is a fantastic soap. 2 thumbs up, CarPro, on your soap. This stuff, I will be using this stuff all the time. This is not only gonna be great for just a ceramic quartz coated car, this is gonna be great for just using on any car as a shampoo. This is fantastic stuff. I'm getting goosebumps talking about it. I really, really like it a lot. Absolutely love it. So you guys can find this at Detailed Image. I'll put the product link down in the description of the video, and if you use my code, I'll put it again, once again down here, you can get 10% off your entire order. Very happy with this. Look at the results. The car looks absolutely amazing, but there's no coating left on it, so that means I have options. Finally, I can do something different to this car. So look forward to videos on that coming this summer. So I appreciate you guys stopping by, checking this video out. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, join the Fab family. We'd love to have you, and we'll see you in the next video.